Hi guys, this is Arjita. Welcome to today's video where I've created a book sleeve or a laptop cover using some fabric markers. So these are the 6 dual tip markers and I have got 2 sets. This is a pouch I got made and this is some nice white thick cloth. So I'll be doing freehand coloring and sketching on this, and I just googled some images, some wreaths, some pretty floral wreath, and this is what I came up with. So these markers are absolutely stunning and so easy to use. You can involve your kids with these projects, they can doodle, and it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm planning a circular wreath here and I am mapping out my leaves and flowers before I fill them. So as you can see, it is absolutely random. You can also use stamps, but for this I thought of going with the minimum supplies. So I am going to just sketch my leaves and florals and then fill it up with the markers. So this is quite self-explanatory. This cloth is a cotton based material, and these markers slide beautifully on it without being patchy. So I had a lot of fun and I'll be gifting this to a friend, and I'll write her initials in the center. So once this was done, I initially thought I'll just keep it without a line, without a border, but then it was looking a little incomplete and I decided to go ahead with a brown marker to add all the outlines. The moment I do it, it looks finished and so beautiful and cute. So I plan to make many more such pouches for my daughter's stationery and for my laptop, for makeup pouches. You can do it with anything. So I used a white. You can also use a light blue, a pink, or a lemon yellow fabric, and these colors will look beautiful. So we are almost done here, and I'll add some flower centers using the brown marker and all the detailing. These markers have dual tips, and the fine point is very nice to add these outlines, and is very crisp. They do not bleed in the fabric, and that is the beauty of these markers. So I plan to buy more sets because I have got just 2, pastel and a little brighter one. There are many more and I absolutely recommend it. So now I will add the initial, and I'm going to use a stencil. This is an old alphabet stencil I have, and I'll just add the letter N in the center, fill it up with brown, and I think this is finished. But I thought the wreath is a little more open, and I would have liked it if there was some little twigs lying inside, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm just doing some doodling and adding these tiny flowers in pink. That finishes this project, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit a like for this video so that we know you really loved it. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.